Now, in Got Ramogi, I sit on the stone of Rapogi, chant the names of my elders as well, the sons of Ajuang. I call Yimbo, I call Sakwa, I call Game, I call Alego, I call Ugunja, and then go up the hill, sit there, and then sit for a while, then come again to the duel, and then enter Mikai's house. Mikai was the wife to Ajuang. And then now, because she's my ancestral mother, I also call her name and tell her how my day was miserable. And after all that, I go to the granary. I go to the, how do we call it? I go to the granary, see if there is some food. Oh, it is called the dero. I go to the dero if there is some food. And if I find any, or even the alcohol, we call it kongo. And if there is some kongo or some food in the dero, I eat. After eating, I chant again, Joey, Joey, Joey. And then I go back. You know, some of you might be wondering how some great leaders like Raila Odinga, Museveni are frequently visiting that place. That place, when you go, people who disappoint you, you look to them as if nothing happens. And you know, you get forgiveness very quickly and reconciliation in that matter. That's why great leaders, African leaders, visited that place frequently to go and pacify with the ancestors, go make peace with the ancestors, they pour libation, and even before elections, before African election, those people go there to receive blessing. Now, somebody like Raila Odinga has really faced some disappointments, election disappointments, and you know, every disappointment of life. And Raila Odinga frequently visited that place, Got Ramogi, chants Joey, Joey, and again sits there for a while, looking Yala Swamp, looking Lake Victoria, and then all the disappointment mysteriously disappears, and you become nourished. You become a good person. You become fresh. You become of good mind and thinking. Yes, thank you very much. On our next episode, I will take you to Siaya. I will take you to Got Ramogi. I will take you to Kwamikai and show you the great sons of Ajuang. Thank you very much. Have a good day.